Hi, I'm Rebecca Brown, and I want to show you a new oil that's out that took 30 years to develop that instantly can heal your face. I put it to the test when I had a very bad cold. I needed a quick remedy, so I tried Delta 5 Dr. Berger's Instant Skin Remedy. It's by a company called Scia Essentials. There is my skin without any makeup on, and that terrible redness around my nose. And you can see those flakes of skin in there. And where that redness is, my skin was super irritated. This always happens when I have a cold. I had taken the serum out and took a look at it, and it was a beautiful clear color, and the moisture and the feel of it wasn't super thick and oily, it was light. I could tell there was some oil in it, but it wasn't going to be like syrup on my skin. I want you to see right away how this works. I just got over this cold, and I have all this irritated and red skin underneath my nose. And so I'm using my Delta 5 serum to put it on. I use it 3 times a day when I have a real issue. It comes out clear. It's super fresh. It's by Scia Essentials, and I put it on where that red flaky stuff under my nose is. It will work immediately. This is what I use to repair my skin. I also use it for my wrinkles. Underneath my eyes, I use 1 to 3 drops when I use this, maybe up to 3 times a day. Now, because of the cold and the irritation, the redness and the itchiness, I'm definitely using it 3 to 4 times a day. And you know, when you get over a cold, you get those rough patches around your nose. It's great to use for my lip lines too. I have those because I like to say it's because I smile a lot. I've never smoked. It's a smile and laughter. That's gotta be it. And a few years of that. And then I rub it in. It's got a very smooth, light feel, and it gets absorbed. It has no scent. There's nothing perfumey or heavy about it. It is boiled down to the necessary ingredients to heal your skin. And I'm using it now for 3 days, and my cold has been really bad. So you see, it's starting to work immediately. There are no flakes. It's amazing. Anything extra gets worked onto my neck, and that dry, itchy décolleté, that's getting a workout too. It only takes 5 minutes to absorb, then I can add my foundation on top of it and makeup. But I like to wear this at night just on my cleanly washed, fresh skin so that it gets all the way down and it can rest overnight. So morning and night, and then especially if you have an issue, I have the spot on my face that's occurred too, so that is going to get extra treatment. Look at that thing before. Oh my gosh. So that's going to get it right now. I want that to go away as fast as I can. I mean, really, do we have time to have problems like this on our skin? I think not. So that's what I look like just with the Delta 5 oil on my face. That's it. Radical results in one use is what they put on the box. And that's what I see in my face. You can already tell. Look at that. All gone. Gone. And I think this is looking a little better. It was a little redder about 5 minutes ago. The wrinkles will take a more consistent treatment, obviously, because they just didn't arrive in a day, like the nose thing and the red mark. And as you can see on my face and in my nose, it rapidly fixed it. That was shocking to me. The inflammatory benefits happened immediately. In one use, my skin looked better. I'm always battling age. I've been checking into products to find the one that's going to work best for me and my skin and my age range. And I looked into Dr. Alvin Berger, and he's a world-renowned published expert in the field of fatty acids and cellular repair on a molecular level, and that's how he developed Delta 5. His background is in nutritional and pharmaceutical sciences, and he is an eminent lipid nutritionist and biochemist. And lipids are the cell level of fat. And that's what you need, those lipids within your molecules to have your face puff out and not be wrinkled and sink in. I love that Delta 5 was developed by such a scientist with such a great background. This is a natural, unique, and conifer-derived oil. This special oil is even great if you get a sunburn. Or if you scratch or cut your skin, it's good for that too. Skincare is so important, and what you put on your skin is so important because it will soak in and your body will absorb it. Your skin is the largest organ in your body. Now I'm all made up. I've got my makeup on. I've been using this since my cold. Immediately it helped. I could have put makeup on and gone outside and been normal looking because that's how fast it worked. Take a look at this close-up video of me. You can see around my eyes, you can see my nose, and look at my face. The whole texture of my skin has gotten softer, more supple, and I believe my fine lines have lessened. I work a lot on trying to be as young and youthful and vibrant as I possibly can, or at least look that way. Not all days I feel it. But beauty is important to me because this is a face I give the world. So to have positive feedback from the world when I talk and engage with them is really positive for all of my life experiences. I hope it's the same for you. Comment and tell me what you think about a natural product like this and what your concerns for your skin and beauty is. Let's talk about it. Let's share each other's secrets. Click the link below and get your Delta 5 by Scia Essentials and check into Dr. Berger's Instant Skin Remedy. There's even a discount code in that description box so you can get it and try it at a special price. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. And let's keep finding out great recipes in life, like a recipe for beautiful glowing skin, no matter what your issue is, to have more beautiful, younger, healthy looking skin. Hey!